You are looking at your favorite grab-and-go morning meal, but you might be underestimating all that the breakfast burrito can do. Our coach in the kitchen today, Karen Mangum, is here to tell us why breakfast burritos are a great go-to recipe for tailgating. And because there's a football theme, and because you kind of have a famous last name, we'll draw the connection. This is a football mom extraordinaire, your son Tanner, quarterbacks for BYU.
That's correct.
So you are used to feeding the football crowd.
Right. Oh, gosh. And we do a lot of tailgate parties, and we try to make them fun and festive, but we got to make it easy, too. You don't want to be spending all the time in the kitchen. That's not where you want to be. I want to be in front of the TV watching the play.
Which brings me to portable. It's kind of got to be a grab-and-go option.
Correct, exactly. We want it quick and easy, so you want to use a lot of pre-cut vegetables or things that, like pre-cut chicken. You can buy that already made in the grocery store, and then things that are finger food too, and that makes it easy. So your friends don't have to be using utensils on their laps.
Right. I love a good breakfast burrito. What goes into yours?
Well, what's unique about this one is we start with a little bit of turkey sausage.
Oh.
So I use a breakfast turkey sausage, real easy. Get that all browned up first.
Okay.
And then I'm going to add O'Brien frozen potatoes. So they do have a little bit of onion and green pepper in them. We'll just stir that right in, plus some other peppers and onions as well. And this is a frozen pre-cut product that you should have in your freezer every day.
Just so you can reach for and make it easy, right?
Because every recipe, it seems, starts with that. Chili, soup, stews. You're always using peppers and onions. Stir that in.
Brings the color, brings the flavor.
You bet. And more nutritional value, black beans, because they go everywhere.
Yep.
And then delicious cilantro. Love the cilantro.
I would never think to put cilantro in a breakfast burrito.
Oh, gosh, you got to have it.
What?
It makes such a difference. I love that cilantro. Look at the colors in that, the variety, the nutritional value. Now, let's get some seasonings going. We're going to do some chipotle powder, chili powder, and cumin.
You're spicing it up,
Yeah,
Karen.
we are spicing it up. Now, the chipotle powder, a little bit hard to find. I actually had to order that one on Amazon. But I did find this product, the Mrs. Dash Chipotle, with a variety of other seasonings, which would be great in this, too.
Does it do the job, Mrs. Dash?
It does the job.
Okay.
Little salt and pepper, got that in there, and we're good to go.
I love when meals come together this quickly.
Isn't that fancy?
Yes.
So quick and easy. 30-minute meal ideas at my website at InsideKaren'sKitchen.com.
Love it.
Now, for the eggs, this makes the egg burrito. We're going to pour the eggs right on top and let them sit. We're going to turn that down to low and let that just sit and cook up. And when they're done, it kind of looks like this.
See, I love that you're mixing it all together because I would compartmentalize, like eggs and then sausage and then veggies.
Go ahead and do it all together.
Love it.
You want your eggs to be cooked through. I'm going to also show you a quick way to microwave and soften your tortillas.
Okay.
So I'm going to take my tortilla, put them between 2 sheets of damp paper towel. I'm going to take them to the microwave, and just for about 20 seconds, I'm going to heat those up.
Zap it, okay.
Bring them back out, and then we're going to take them over here, fill them, put them right onto the foil that you've already cut. About a half cup, maybe a 1/3 cup of filling right there. A little bit of cheese on top. Fold in your sides and then just roll them real tight.
There it is.
Keep them nice and tight, and then take your foil. Now, the tortillas I'm using, I like to use a corn flour blend.
Okay.
The corn in the tortilla really makes a difference.
You're a crowd pleaser. If you like corn, if you like flour, you're covering both.
You got them all, and there they go.
Love it.
When you serve, one of the fun things you can do is use these little
drink containers
to serve your vegetables.
That's
pretty
genius.
handy.
That is genius.
As well as your condiments over there. I've got some salsas and sriracha, anything that you can use to really, you want to liven up those burritos. They're awesome.
I love that. Again, makes the meal portable and kind of contributes to the whole fun game day atmosphere.
One more tip.
Please.
Take a brick. I've got a brick. You can put this in your oven, about 500 degrees, maybe 20 minutes or so. Get it nice and hot. Okay. Cover it in a towel. Put it in the base of your cooler, and it becomes a warming oven. So you can take your burritos, put it in a little bit of foil pan, and set it inside your cooler with the brick at the bottom, another big towel on top, and those will stay warm for a long time.
12 years hosting this show, I have never heard that tip.
Isn't that fun?
Genius. That is so great.
Yeah.
Great football fare before the game. Can you eat before the game? Do you get a little mom butterfly?
I do get a little, yes, I do get the butterflies. There's no question. But yeah, we try to do a little gathering with the family. We've had so much fun this year gathering with family before the games. And this actually showed up a couple weeks ago. Before the Portland State game.
Did it?
Yep,
okay.
They were a big hit.
Good. Well, I can see where they would be a crowd pleaser for sure. And you mentioned recipes just like this on your website that we
That's
can
correct.
access?
At InsideKaren'sKitchen.com. That's my food blog with lots of good, healthy recipes that nourish and heal.
Karen, you're just a delight. Thank you so much for sharing. We'll link you over to Karen's blog from our website, studio5.ksl.com. And there you can click the recipe tab to access today's recipe for breakfast burritos, football style. We love it.